dance is called APT or APT. It's a 64 count, 4 waltz. There's part A and part B. The dance sequence is AAB, AAB, AA 16 count with step change, BBB, AA. Let me show you part A. Starting with right foot, side together, side, touch, side together, side, touch. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover. Step right next to left, drop your shoulder, hold 1 count, and bounce shoulder, left, right, left. Section 2, rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover. Step, drop shoulder, bounce shoulder, left, right, left. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, side together, side, touch, side together, side, touch. With a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, rock, recover, back, recover. Stomp forward, make 3 bounces, quarter turn to the left. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Section 4, rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover. Stomp, bounce, bounce, bounce. Section 4 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, on the 6th time when you do part A, there is a 16 count step change. Facing 9 o'clock. Side together, side, touch, side together, side, touch. Rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover. Step, pivot, half turn, and step, quarter turn. I repeat again. Side together, side, touch. Side together, side, touch. Rocking chair. Step, pivot, half turn, and step, pivot, quarter turn. So with a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me show you part B. Starting with your right foot. Diagonal lock step, scarf, diagonal lock step, scarf. So with a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, just box cross. Cross, back, side. Cross, shiver together, turn and turn. Hold 1 count. Section 2, just box cross. Cross, back, side. Cross, step, shiver to the right, to the left, and to the right. Hold 1 count. So with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Section 3. Weight is on the right. Do a scissors cross to the left. Side together cross. Side together cross. So section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Last section. Big step to the left, drag your right to the left, do a shimmy, forward, half turn shimmy. So last section with a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I repeat last section with a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.